I am now going to deliver my daughter to school and I will let this pocket option auto trader trade while I'm delivering her. So let's see how we do. If you like this type of videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose an update video just like this one. Also, if you want to have this pocket option auto traded completely for free, you find a link below the video so you also can get started today for free. Okay? But now let's start the bot and I see you soon.
Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure with my pocket option. Boom. Yeah. I've been wanting this shit forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me, brush it off, pick myself up. Moving on to the better. Okay. Yeah. Ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early feeling rich like me, the alpha when I get to the paper, boy. Stay here with me, you know that I got it. Come with me, let's take a trip to the island. We up in the jet, we'll do more than just fly on it. Stand on that hill, you gon' die on it. Boom, baby, I'm not one of them.
Hello,
You should try on it.
motherfucker.
Miss me with all that, I'm on to the next. Fuck this up, I send you back to your old mentor. Buckle up with that, as big as it gets. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, let's see how you do under
What am I gonna do?
Give him a name to remember. Okay. Let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah. Let's see how you do under pressure. Let's go. A moment can live on forever. Okay. Oh shit. They done let me shoot a whole clip. 5 power in this coalition. We just turned the field into a demolition. It was desolate, but I had premonition. I was training for war every exhibition, every extra mission. Every enemy listen and get offside. I got bad intentions, making right every wrong, and I'm back with a vengeance. I'll show you the road. Piece of my time, I can show you the coast. Up in the shots that they wanna just fuck, if you know that you know. Sweet it up, my whole team do the same. Don't you forget who created the game. Was made it for war, I was born with a blade. Finish the trick of
Hello,
this game.
motherfucker.
Let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah. Let's see how you do under pressure. Let's go. Give them a name to remember. Okay.
I need to say, almost feels like cheating using my new strategy. As you can see, we made 12 trades, 11 winners and 92%. I would not actually have not needed to use martingale with this strategy. It's so good. And you can see, while I was delivering my daughter to school, you see we made $306. This is the first time I let the robot run a little while I'm out with the new system and everything, but I see next time I will do like $100, $200 trades and I could have made so much more. But this proves this robot is amazing, and if you want it completely for free, you find a link below the video so you also can get started today. So with that, have an amazing day and I'll see you on the next.